Since the dawn of this year, the cryptocurrency market has been on a stellar trajectory, ballooning by an impressive 65% to surpass the $2.5 trillion mark. This surge is largely fueled by Bitcoin's relentless ascent, breaking new ground and setting historic highs. Just yesterday, it clocked a record high of over $72,000. This rally is underpinned by heavyweights in the investment sphere continuously stacking up on Bitcoin, a vivid example being Michael Saylor, the behemoth whale who added 12,000 Bitcoins to his stash in the first 2 weeks of March alone. Concurrently, the anticipated breakthrough of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF holding is nearing the 200,000 coins mark. Such bullish moves in Bitcoin have cast a positive ripple effect across the cryptocurrency landscape, with virtually every coin enjoying a piece of the upward momentum this week. Remarkably, coins directly associated with Bitcoin, including various Layer 2, L2 blockchains and projects integrating Bitcoin, have seen the most explosive growth, soaring by at least 100% over the past 7 days. In today's video, I'm thrilled to dive into these coins, revealing those with the most potential for growth before and after Bitcoin's upcoming halving in April. This insight could be your golden ticket to making strategic purchases before these coins skyrocket. Your support fuels our passion to sift through dozens of coins, selecting only the most intriguing and promising ones for you in the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency where Bitcoin leads, others follow. The digital gold's record-smashing rally has not only captured headlines, but has also paved the way for other promising coins to shine. Today, I'm excited to delve into 4 such cryptocurrencies that are intrinsically linked to Bitcoin and are currently enjoying substantial profit margins thanks to this association. These coins are not just riding the wave, they are making waves of their own in the crypto sea. In a dazzling showcase of resilience and bullish momentum, Bitcoin recently charted a course that took investors and enthusiasts on a roller coaster ride of emotions. Initially, there was a moment of apprehension as the currency experienced a modest retreat during the dawn of the Asian trading session, briefly flirting with the $67,000 mark. This dip, however, was short-lived, serving merely as a prelude to a triumphant surge. Gathering its strength, Bitcoin astonishingly rebounded, vaulting past previous barriers to etch a new all-time high at an astounding $72,000. This upward trajectory was significantly bolstered by a strategic move from Michael Saylor, a titan in the cryptocurrency domain. Saylor's company made waves across the financial community by acquiring an additional 12,000 Bitcoins, averaging a purchase price of $68.42 per coin. This acquisition not only underscored the company's bullish stance on Bitcoin, but also cemented Michael Saylor's status as one of the most influential Bitcoin whales, boasting a staggering collection of 205,000 Bitcoins. Such a bold endorsement from a high-profile investor sent ripples throughout the market, highlighting the growing confidence and institutional support behind Bitcoin's unstoppable ascendancy. Interestingly, Saylor's massive purchase came right after BlackRock outpaced him in Bitcoin holdings. But, thanks to this latest acquisition, Saylor remains the top whale in the market. He also predicted Bitcoin would eclipse gold, and given Bitcoin's recent overtaking of silver to become the world's 8th largest asset, Saylor's forecast seems plausible. Furthermore, funds continue to record massive inflows into Bitcoin, exceeding $2.5 billion daily, bolstering its price and, by extension, the prices of related coins. One such coin is STX, which has been making headlines lately for its price surges alongside Bitcoin. Since the beginning of the year, STX has closely mirrored Bitcoin's price movements. But how is STX connected to Bitcoin, you ask? STX is the native coin of the Stacks blockchain, which brings smart contract capabilities to Bitcoin, resulting in a highly secure and scalable blockchain that allows other projects to expand on its network. If someone wished to bridge Bitcoin and Ethereum, STX would closely resemble such a connection. The blockchain itself is quite complex, but in simple terms, STX connects to Bitcoin, allowing miners to validate transactions through a unique consensus mechanism. Despite only launching in 2019, development for Stacks began back in 2013, and it was initially named Blockstack. The first testnet was released in Q2 2018, with the mainnet following suit by the end of 2018. Remarkably, STX was the first coin to receive SEC approval, attracting significant investor interest. Imagine if a coin launched today with an SEC quality mark. Its price would likely skyrocket. In STX's case, its price jumped nearly 200% post-listing, subsequently mimicking Bitcoin's price actions, especially during local surges. The rise of Bitcoin invariably benefits STX, but it's not just Bitcoin-related coins that are primed for growth this week. Layer 2 projects on Ethereum's blockchain are also set to soar, especially with the impending Decon update aimed at reducing fees for all L2s. This update is expected to positively impact the prices of coins such as Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, Uniswap, and others within the Ethereum ecosystem. Subscribers of our Coin22 Pro have already capitalized on Ethereum's rise to $4,000, having received a deal pinpointing the best entry point and a 70% profit-taking level. In closing, it's crucial to monitor these coins, especially with Bitcoin's halving on the horizon, promising substantial growth opportunities. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss our upcoming videos. Good luck and see you soon.